Well, a New York initiative could soon be coming to California, giving agencies the power to involuntarily hospitalize mentally ill people, even if they do not pose an immediate danger.
New tonight, CBS 13's Laura Hafley is getting answers from legal experts who say the protocol is already in place and advocates who caution against it. Laura.
Shelter, housing, and resources have always been a part of the solution to the California homeless crisis, but now there's another idea being tossed around. As you mentioned, it's an initiative that could likely be starting in New York, and it could be catching on here in California too, but the question is it legal? In 2022, an estimated 9,300 people experience homelessness in Sacramento County at any given point. The Sacramento Regional Coalition to End Homelessness is working to change that.
We know that involuntary commitment doesn't work.
But the mayor of New York City is considering an initiative that would give city agencies the power to involuntarily hospitalize severely mentally ill people, even if they do not appear to pose an immediate danger to others. And now San Francisco could be following suit.
In other words, a hold against their will.
Bob Erlenbush is the director of the Sacramento Regional Coalition to End Homelessness. He's concerned if San Francisco implements the protocol, Sacramento may be close behind.
Apparently, San Francisco, sadly, is considering following the path of New York to allow first responders to commit basically homeless people.
But UC Hastings law professor John Myers says the laws are technically already in place.
What New York is doing is saying that they're going to simply allow the police to be involved in making decisions to get treatment for those persons who are unable to provide for themselves. This is nothing new.
In California, police and mental health professionals can place a person on an emergency 72-hour hold, or 5150, if they pose a danger to themselves or others. The new potential protocol could allow holds even if there is no threat.
It will put pressure on the entire public health system and the private mental health system as well, and government to provide more and better services to these folks.
CBS 13 reached out to the city of Sacramento to ask if they'd consider the new initiative too. Mayor Steinberg tells us he's committed to finding housing and resources for the unhoused community. And we did reach out to the governor's office to ask about this potential new protocol, to ask if it's being discussed on the state level. We did not immediately hear back.
I think every single state is talking about this crisis. Laura, thank you. Live from Sacramento tonight.